So I know in all my videos you usually always see me wearing loafers, dress shoes, or some sort of like, fancy flats with all of my joggers. In this video right here, I just want to simply show you how I'm actually going to style some sort of tennis shoes, basketball shoes, or whatever you want to call it with my joggers. Because sometimes when you're running errands and you're going to be walking a lot, it's just not possible to just always have loafers on. So I want you to pay attention to how I made the contrast work with the Vince Leather Joggers and just some simple Air Max Ltd 3s. Okay, so first off, right now, off the bat, I want you to go ahead and see, okay, I got the leather joggers on. Now, keep in mind, these Air Maxes I'm showing you right now, they're one solid color. I just wanted to keep it in a solid, light color. When you're wearing leather joggers, I would normally just prefer a shoe that is light in color and just solid. I probably wouldn't really want to do it with like an all black shoe or a shoe that just has, way too many patterns or anything. I just kind of want to keep it simple so you could just kind of pay attention to the contrast of the leather and these shoes. So right now, I'm gonna just go ahead, put this on. As you can see, I just have a simple zip up hoodie, but you know me, I could probably definitely pull this off with a cardigan and dress shirt. Now keep in mind, the shoes that you're wearing, they have to be brand new. One thing I notice about shoes compared to loafers is that they get dirty so much more quicker than loafers. Like loafers, I could just easily wipe them down, but like shoes, it's like, oh my gosh, I have to keep trying to get like a toothbrush and get them all out. So you want to make sure that they're as new as possible so that they're glowing, they have a glow to them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stand up, and I want to show you how so much better it looks wearing these versus, some sort of jeans or anything. Now look, as you can already see, you see the zipper on the side with the Air Max Ltd 3s. This zipper and the shoes right now, oh my goodness. It looks like I'm just some sort of, celebrity running errands. You know what I'm saying? I look like, Kanye or like, Bieber or something like that. Just saying, hey, I got to go run some errands. I got to go to the grocery store. And you got the Air Maxes on with the zipper. Just the zipper and the shoe alone, it just adds like this unique feel to it, this unique touch that jeans just tend to not really offer, So as you can see right now, bending it back that way, very nice. You see the little bubble in the shoe going around. And look how we're able to wear, look how versatile leather joggers are. That's kind of what I want to show you. How I'm able to wear, Ted Baker loafers with these Vince leather joggers, and then we jump from Ted Baker loafers to Air Max Ltd 3s. See, you cannot do that with slacks. You might not even really be able to do that with any sort of jeans, and it just gives you that unique look that nobody else really has. Like just this combination alone, I barely ever see anybody in the mall or anything wearing it. Now I know you're probably wondering, where would I kind of wear this outfit? I would basically wear this, if I'm just like, hey, I gotta shop at the mall real quick, I gotta run some errands, I'm going to the grocery store, I would definitely wear this outfit. So very simple video, Air Max Ltd 3s. This video right here goes out to everyone that kind of wanted to see, tennis shoes and wears some sort of basketball shoes with their joggers. I know I do a lot of things for loafers, but hey, every once in a while I wear it. So the key thing to keep in mind is that you want to make sure that the shoe is very, very brand new, because shoes, tennis shoes, they get dirty way more quicker than loafers. That's crazy. I mean, it's like loafers are just so much more easier to maintain. These right here, I just like walked outside and boom, I realized I have a scuff on the side. So it's like, yeah, very nice, very clean quality. And again, I'm just wearing a simple zip up because I just woke up today, but I would totally wear, a shirt and tie and even a cardigan and probably make this work. So there you have it. Air Max Ltd 3 loafers with the leather joggers. Try it out.